Hey, I'm going to teach you today how to make your own top 3 graphic. And we'll be working in Canva, so it is a free option for a lot of people. You can also pay monthly to have more options in it, but you can get away with using the free for sure. So I'm going to do my top picks for the fall season. One of my favorites is the Kawa multi-way shawl. So I'm going to find that photo, and there it is. When I click on it, it just puts it directly into the graphic, but I'm going to then click and drag and see how it's filling these 3 photo spaces. I'm going to put it right here. And then double click to adjust it within the box. I'm going to center her so she's not as cut off by that middle line, maybe a little bit over. And then I'm going to do done, or click somewhere on the page to get out of that. So like just around in this space will help. I actually want to flip her photo because she's looking outward away from the graphic. If she looks inward, it keeps people's eyes moving back to the other photos on the right side. So I'm going to do a horizontal flip. I come up here, my photo selected, I come up here to flip, and I do horizontal, and then I can double click it and adjust it from there if I want to. I'm gonna just do a little bit over, there we go. And then I'm gonna pick my other favorites. Let's see, I do love the cloud mules. I'm gonna put those in there, double click, get them over. I'm also going to do, let's see, one of my other favorites is, I have so many favorites, it's kind of ridiculous. Actually, I'm going to do the zip top shopper. I'm going to do it where the cloud mules are. I like it up there. And I'm going to really stretch this out. So to stretch an image proportionately, grab the corner dot and click and drag, and then let go when you have the position you want. So there we go. Then I'm going to just adjust it accordingly. Okay, another one I super love is, well, pretty much everything, but I'm going to do a coin purse. I like to include like a really expensive item, a smaller, cheaper item that people can afford, and it's not but do you notice how this bag seems really heavy over these little coin purses? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch them out. If you make an accident, you know what the best thing to do is? This back arrow, it's also Command Z or Control Z on a PC, and you are able to go back to what you wanted. So I'm going to, one way to switch photos, this is locked right now. They're grouped together, which I actually haven't been able to figure out how to ungroup them yet. Maybe that will be next week's video. But one way to just switch out the photos is just drag that same photo over, and then I'm gonna go find, oops, I don't want that, back arrow. I'm gonna go find my zip top shopper. I'm gonna put it down in the bottom corner. And should I just show them all? I don't know. What do you think? Let me adjust this one. I think I'm gonna just focus in on that zip top. So I'm using the corner dot to center it. Oops, went over there. And then I'm gonna click somewhere in the margin to get out of that and move that up just a tidge. I'm trying to cut out, I think it looks better cutting out the other photos. So this feels a little more balanced to me. I mean, this still is a lot, like a big close-up. So I might increase this close-up a bit, just to make it feel a little more balanced. And if that's cutting off a little part of it, that's okay with me. It works. But you can see I'm gonna flip her. Well, let me do this. I'm gonna flip this gal back. See how when she's turned that way, you kind of look that way. So that's why I suggested that flip. And then my last thing, because I don't want to take this video and make it too long, is I want to change the color. So I select this box and I want to do either cafe creme or peach dust. So I'm going to try the peach dust, F1DACC. Oh, here it is. There it is. So, and then I can go in and change, and it'll save that like that color. And let me see. Mish's top 3 picks, fall collection. I'm gonna still say FW 2020. I don't know, I like it shorter. So once I'm done, you can also make a bunch. Like you can make your top 3 for apparel, top 3 for bags, top 3 for small leather goods and accessories. I'm going to duplicate this page. So if I want to come back and do Mish's top 3 apparel picks, I'm going to go through this and go, okay, I love the skirt. I'll put that gal there. I love, where is my really great photo of, okay, it looks like I don't have all my photos in here, but I love that kindness tee. Anywho, you're getting the idea of how you just can literally drag these photos and kind of make quite a few options. So I wouldn't necessarily do that per se, but I'm just showing you how to fill those in. So I'm gonna do download. I increase the size because I want the best image quality, and I'm just doing page 1 because that's the only one I want. And then I hit download, and then it should open up in my preview application, and I'm ready to go and post this fun graphic in my VIP group. So hopefully that was helpful to you, and I will work on finding how to group and ungroup things for our next video. Hope this helps, and I'm so glad to be on the Seiko journey with all of you wonderful ladies. Bye.